I felt hopeless. I felt insecure. I felt stuck. I felt like I wanted to hide.
The limiting belief is that this is where my body is just going to be. Because I knew that I've been pushing all of my effort and have done all kinds of diet fads. And I'm like, I think this is just the farthest my body can go. I have no idea. I've spent so much money on so many different programs, but nothing was working. Like I just hit a plateau.
I was on this like roller coaster on diets. If I was not like on an extreme diet or like not having any carbs or stuff like that, then I would never see results.
I felt very stuck. Like it felt impossible to get out of this like overeat at night by myself, drink wine, and not working out, like zero motivation to work out. The way I got out of it is surprising, and how quickly I was able to get out of it was surprising to me. I thought this was going to be a whole lot longer of a process and how easy it was. Like the simplicity was one thing I was very pleasantly surprised with, and how you are for simplicity and you just made things so simple.
It's just a process on a very different level. Like it has nothing to do with my workouts or my food. It has like more to do about like me and what I've been through, and this is okay.
I was trying on different outfits and I was like, my body is banging right now. Like it's really good. I was staring at it and I'm like, I've never looked at my own body like this before. So yeah, it's cool.
I feel very confident. I feel secure in my body. I'm like, oh, I feel good. I want to go on a date. I want to go to happy hour.
We're meant to be beautiful and we're meant to love it, like love ourselves for it. Yes.
I feel like I love my body on another level that I've never loved before. Like never felt that way around my body. It feels like awesome. Like I can't believe I did it.